Step 1 is to go to this affiliate marketplace. Step 2 is to select a product of your choosing. And step 3 is to use this free tool to promote your affiliate product and make your money on complete autopilot. In today's video, I'll be showing you this website that will do all of the hard work for you so you don't have to. I'll be showing you how this works and walk you through a step-by-step process, so make sure that you watch this video all the way until the end so you know exactly what you need to do to make money online through this method. So this will be an affiliate marketing strategy, but it's very different from the rest as you will not be required to share your affiliate link anywhere at all. You won't be required to share your affiliate link in the YouTube comments, you won't have to create any new videos or share this on any forums or online communities. You also won't have to add this on any social media platforms. The tool that I'll be showing you in this video will do all of this work for you, and I'll break down everything you need to do to set this up. Before introducing you to this tool that will do all of the work for you, I'd like to show you the site that you will be using, which will pay you your affiliate commissions. The affiliate website is called jvzoo.com. It functions in the same way that ClickBank or Digistore24 does, or any other affiliate marketing website. The difference, though, between this site and other affiliate marketing sites is that it doesn't only focus on physical and digital products. There's a wide variety of make money online products, cooking products, and much more. So besides that, there is another element of this website that I'm sure you will value, and that is that there are several different payment options that you can choose from. PayPal is definitely the most popular, but if you live in a country that doesn't accept PayPal, there are other options that you can choose from that work in your country. So if you'd like to learn more about this site and familiarize yourself more, feel free to check it out yourself. The first thing you're going to want to do when you get onto JVZoo is create your free account. To do that, you'll just need to click on this button right here that says Start for Free. Once you click that, you'll just have to fill out some personal information like your first name, email address, password confirmation, the country you're from, and then check this box right here saying that you agree to JVZoo's agreements, policies, and disclaimers, and then click this button that says Register to complete your account. You'll then be sent a verification link to the email that you used, which you will want to open up and click on to verify your account. After that, you'll select how you'd like to get paid. After you've completed your account and signed in, this is what the main page should look like. On your dashboard, you should see data right here that shows how many visitors, sales, gross revenue, and earnings you've achieved so far. So to be able to browse through different affiliate products that you can promote, you'll just want to click on Affiliates right here, and then click on Find Products right here. That will then redirect you to this page where you will see thousands of different products that you can promote as an affiliate. Something very valuable and convenient about JVZoo is that they provide a lot of very detailed and useful information. The information is very helpful because it will allow you to understand any product better so you can be able to more effectively promote any product of your choosing. Things you want to pay attention to would be the number of products sold so you can know whether a product is converting and people are more likely to buy that product. You also want to have the conversion rate be above 10%, generally speaking. You want the refund rate to be below 5%, and you want the average price to be somewhere between $40 and $50 or more. Another really important thing to keep an eye out for is the product launch date. You want to try and look for newer products rather than older ones, as they will be in higher demand. So if you click on Category right here, it will display all the different categories that exist within JVZoo. And as I mentioned previously, there are many more categories within JVZoo than there are on other affiliate marketing websites. So the key to getting the most sales is choosing a category that you're most interested in or passionate about. So as an example for this video, I'm going to select the business/finance category. After you've selected your category, you'll then want to choose a product in that given category. And remember, you want to review the stats of the product before you choose to promote it. After you've selected your product, you can see the price of the product here, the percent commission you will earn right here, and then you can even view the sales page of the product itself by clicking on this button right here. After you've selected your product, you will need to request permission to receive the affiliate link from the seller of the product. And during this process, you will want to write in this box right here something along the lines of, I'm experienced in affiliate marketing and I'm familiar with how to promote products in this niche and I will get many sales. After that, you're going to want to check this box saying that you've read and agreed to the instructions, and then check this box saying that you're not a robot, and then click on this button right here saying Request Approval. So in order to promote this product effectively, I strongly encourage you to share your affiliate link in different forums or groups that are in your product's niche. A really effective way of doing this is going through different Facebook groups. Since my niche is in the make money online niche, I will share this affiliate link within these groups. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to learn about another way to make money online, check out this video right here.